Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make triple line shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and choose the line shape. You can draw the line horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw vertically. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard and draw the line shape perfectly. Then select the line shape and go to the shape format menu. Select the format shape option. Then go to the fill and line option and enable the line section. You can change the color. Now I am make the color black. You can increase the white. Now I am increase the white. Then select the compound type drop down menu and choose triple line. Then close the panel. We can see we make a line triple very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.